Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're navigating the crypto world in 2025, you might need to move your Bitcoin from one exchange to another. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer Bitcoin from Bitmart to Crypto.com step by step. This process is straightforward, but always handle your crypto with care to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Crypto.com. You'll need to verify your identity on both platforms if you haven't already. That's a key security step. Also, ensure you have some Bitcoin in your Bitmart wallet and enough funds to cover any transfer fees. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com account. Head over to the Wallets section and select Bitcoin. Copy your Bitcoin wallet address. Double-check it because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Next, jump over to Bitmart. Log in and go to the Assets or Wallet page. Find your Bitcoin balance and look for the Withdraw option. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency, in this case, Bitcoin. Now, paste the wallet address you copied from Crypto.com into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, but be mindful of the minimum withdrawal limits and any network fees. Bitmart might ask for a 2FA code or email confirmation for security. Always enable two-factor authentication if you haven't. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll get a transaction ID, and the transfer should process on the blockchain. Depending on network congestion in 2025, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Head back to Crypto.com and refresh your wallet to see your Bitcoin arrive. A quick tip. Always use the correct network. Bitcoin transactions are on the BTC network, so match that up. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so verify details before proceeding. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you next time.